Similar to how all of our attendees have a profile of their own, the same can be said for all of our sponsors and exhibitors at the event as well. Now, first and foremost, when we talk about the layout for this particular page, it is something that you as an organizer decide. You know which company is supposed to have a placement up top, which companies are supposed to be bunched in together at the bottom, which are supposed to have the larger logo versus the medium size versus the smaller size. That is for you to decide. For your attendees, when they land up on this particular page, they could check out all of the relevant information about these organizations and try to interact with any one of them, either manually or by setting up some filters on the basis of maybe the specializations or the categories or the products that they sell. Finally, as an attendee, when I interact with any one of these company profiles, I could check out their entire portfolio and offering right from over here. A little bit about what they do, some contact information to get in touch right away, an entire sort of a repository of a bunch of their downloadable brochures and white paper solutions. Their social media links along with their websites are available to be checked out. And if any of these organizations are running any special promotions for your event, they could be anything as trivial as maybe a webinar that they might be conducting, or maybe it's a giveaway, some sort of a special link on their websites, anything that they'd want, they're able to promote first and foremost over here. And when I, as an attendee, scroll down a little, I could check out photos and videos about the products and services that these companies are, offering and participating in. Maybe it could be news articles, maybe it could be write-ups, marketing materials, anything that your exhibitors and sponsors would want to showcase. They would have the ability to do so right from over here. Lastly, and most importantly, each and every one of your companies can bring in their own sales representatives or associated members onto the community. So of course, you as an organizer allow for it. But the idea is that each and every one of these companies can bring their own guys. So when I, as an attendee, land up on a company's page, I could decide to go ahead and share my details directly with them. Or I also have the ability to start up a chat with any one of their available team members, or set up a one-to-one meeting with any one of their available team members as well. So this tool allows for, an exhibitor or a sponsor to have their profiles be displayed clearly, and also have a space wherein these attendees can directly interact with sponsors and their representatives in the community itself. Bringing it back to the lounge area too, as I mentioned, in our exhibitors column over here, you have the ability to provide, lounge tables to your sponsors and exhibitors as well, which would be completely branded and reserved just for them. So just to give you an example, if Hubilo was one of your sponsors at the event and you've given us with a table of our own, that table would have the Hubilo name, it would have the Hubilo logo at the center, and these are tables that are specifically reserved to conversations with company employees. So, when I, as an employee, grabs a chair at the Hubilo table, everyone can now see that, okay, there's someone from the organization representing and available. And if any of the attendees would want to know more about the organization, similar to how at a live event, they would just walk up to my booth and start a conversation with me, these attendees online, they have the ability to grab a chair right next to me and start a conversation right then and there. So team, in terms of what we're able to offer to our exhibitors, these are the key and prime functionalities. Right now, there is another feature that we have, which is a premium functionality for attendee, these exhibitors to manage their own analytics and check everything out by themselves. In terms of our exhibitors feature, as I mentioned, we have a premium functionality for live analytics and active lead management for our sponsors and exhibitors. So for that, what I've done is I've logged in onto, one of my other accounts, wherein I'm able to show you the perspective of an exhibitor as well. So over here, you'll notice that not only can I manage my own profile, I can actually manage the profile for the company that I'm representing as well. So when I click in, all of the info that you'd seen on the Intel page, previously, that's all something that I'm able to manage and edit right from over here as an attendee. As a particular representing member of the community. I can change the descriptions, I can change the product images, videos, I can check out who all are the other team members that are associated with me. And the most important part of this particular tool are the live analytics over here. So what I'll do is I'll just go onto my actual account and join the Intel page. As soon as I do that, this particular community would tell the exhibitor that there is someone that's currently live on your company's profile right now, which would allow the representatives over here to just start up a conversation with me, that I see that you're on our page, let's have a conversation, something along those lines. right from over here can be set up. Beyond it, these exhibitors would have an active count on, how many total profile views have they gotten, how many brochure downloads, chats, scheduled meetings, lounge-based meetings, overall photos, views, video views, business card drops. All of that is information that these organizers, these particular exhibitors would be getting for their particular stall. And this is all info that they have the ability to download in the form of an Excel at any point in time. Beyond it, as I mentioned, this particular tool also allows for active lead generation and lead management. So what happens is through our platform, we don't just let our attendees know that, okay, these are the 100 people that are supposed, that have come by to your event. We also let them know that, okay, these are the profiles of the 100 people that have come on. So I'm able to check all of this out. I can click on a certain profile and see who they are, what do they do, what do they offer. But I'm also able to go onto their engagement area and see just how interested this particular person was on my community or on my page. I'm able to see, okay, this is their profile. They watched this one particular video. They checked out these 3 product photos. They had a chat with these team members, something along those lines. So that you are able to see as an exhibitor just how interested and just how active a person was on their page. And they have the ability to categorize these attendees into hot, warm, and cold leads as well. So, once an information is being downloaded, they would get all of this relevant and important information at the same time as well. So this is this is a premium functionality that if you would want, you're able to offer to any of your sponsors and exhibitors as well.